Hi, I am Corin George, and I'm an application engineer with AFL's Ascend platform. Today we will demonstrate trunk cable installation on our Ascend housing. First, we will begin by opening the rear door of the housing. Next, we will remove the rear housing cover by unscrewing the 2 thumb screws. Bring the trunk cable in through the desired side of the Ascend housing. Snap the retention clip onto the lance forms. It is recommended when using multiple trunk cables to begin installation with the lance forms closest to the trays and progress outwards. Route the fiber in an S-shaped manner to make the connections to the cassettes closest to the retention clip. When making connections to the 2 cassettes furthest from the retention clip, route the fiber slack in a loop. Loosely applying Velcro to fiber groups can provide further cable management and organization. To provide ease in cable routing, we recommend that you fully populate each row before moving on to the next. It is also recommended that you begin with the bottom tray and move upward.